How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hello friends, today I will discuss two things. First one is monthly bill of BSNL FTTH Bharat Fiber, and second one is we will discuss about 499 plan confusion of BSNL Fiber. Like we are daily getting news like if this plan continues, discontinue, reintroducing, all confusion. So let's start with first monthly bill of BSNL Fiber. The plan is 499 CSB 337, and here you can see the bill of 589 and the previous balance, current charge, uses, history, and the GST. The plan is 499. GST is 89 rupees, which is 18% of the plan. GST includes 9% of CGST and 9% of SGST, and the total bill is 589. 18% of GST you have to pay every month extra apart from your plan. The billing period is always start, and the bill will generate on every month 6th day, and the due date is 27th of every month. You need to pay within due date, otherwise you will have to pay 2% of extra after due date as a late fine. So this is the first thing, monthly bill, and let's start second thing, which is about 499 plan confusion. Is 499 plan is available or not, or BSNL reintroduce it, or BSNL continues it. So there are many confusion like this, and we are getting news like this daily. For this we need to go to the BSNL official website and clear every confusion regarding 499 plan. Here on the official website you can see by your own self. You just have to need to select your state and know about all currently running plans easily. I will give you the link in the description so that you will give and you will know all plans which is currently running at your place. So let's see how it will work. So I am selecting here West Bengal as a state. Now here you can see the 499 plan is available till September. Every state has another plan as compared to the other state, so you need to have to search according to your state or location. So this is the today topic. Hope you like this video. Just like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.